In a beautiful morning in Seoul, in South Korea, a mother and 10 years old boy is running in the whole house. Then, what are you doing, Ryan? Ryan, he is not eating his food, Mama. Ryan, mother, why are you not eating, Jihu? Jihu, Grandma, I don't like capsicum. Mom is forcing me to eat this. Grandmother, Ryan, why are you forcing my grandson? Ryan, Mama, he's not eating, so what I do? Jihu, I don't want to eat, Granny. Cute face. Ryan, mother, oh, don't worry, no one will force you. Let's go, we have to go to school. Jihu, okay. Ryan, and this food? Jihu, you can eat, Mom. Grandmother, yes, you have become so thin. Eat that. Jihu, bye, Mommy. Ryan sighed. Okay, bye. Smile. Grandmother, Ryan, Ryan, yes, Mom. Grandmother, I think you have your office today. Ryan, shocked. What? No, no, I am getting late. I have to go. Pine runs towards her bedroom. Jehu, Granny, Mom say I am careless, but she forget everything which is important. Grandmother, your mom will never change. Let's go to your school. Jehu, okay, Granny. They left. On other hand, in Busan, in South Korea, a man is walking in his office. Every person who see him bowing to him, he just gave them a nod and walks towards his cabin. After sitting in his chair, his secretary say, Mr. Yun, sir, today you have a meeting with Mr. Park. After 30 minutes, then we have to go to our construction area. Then, for today, this only. When I will free, after 7 p.m., sir. Then his phone rang. Hello, Mom. Tell Mother. Taeyang, today you have to come home. You don't forget, right? Today is Monday. Tae. No, Mom, I will come. Tell Mother. Then he cut the phone. Mr. Yun, what happened, sir? Taeyang, nothing, just today is Monday. Mr. Yun, yes, sir. Today is Monday. You have to go to your home for family dinner, which happens every week. But why are you sad? Taeyang, sad plus annoyed. Whenever I go, my mom starts talking about my marriage. Mr. Yun, so this is the matter. Thinking. So simple. You should marry, sir. Now you're getting old. Taeyang, shocked. What? What are you saying, Mr. Yun? I'm just 28, not 38. Glaring. Mr. Yun, hee hee hee. I'm sorry, sir. I was just saying. Taeyang, At Taeyang's house, while everybody is eating, Taeyang's mother said, "Thy mother smiled. So, son, what did you think about it?" Taeyang, about what, Mom? Thy mother. I am talking about your marriage. You don't have any girlfriend and you are not expecting to marry. So what do you want to do? You want to stay single all your life? Die. Mom, I don't want to marry now. Die, mother. So when? Young father, stop now. Love, why are you forcing him? He will marry when he thinks he is ready for it. For now, stop this. Young mother, okay, I will not say anything. Nobody listen me. Angrily. Young grandmother, what Sue is saying is right. He is in his right age when he will marry. Young mother, I am thinking about everyone, about my son, but nobody understand me. And think about me, that how a mother wants to see his daughter-in-law and his only son getting married, but no, nobody understand me. Sadly. Young father, love, what are you saying? Everybody think about you. young mother. No, nobody think. My son is not understanding me. So what I will do? Die. Okay, I will marry whom you choose for me. The young mother, happy. Really? Okay, I will start finding a beautiful girl from today. Excited. Taeyang sighed, seeing his mother so happy and excited about his marriage. Next day, Tai, Mr. Yun, what we have to do today? Mr. Yun, sir, we have few meetings and the land which you wanted to buy for a construction of a building. The owner, Mr. Park, want to meet you personally to discuss about the details of the land. So we have to go to Seoul. Taeyang, why? We can discuss it from video call also, from phone also. So why we have to go? Mr. Yun, sir, he wants to talk every detail about the building personally because he thinks that meeting personal can be more benefit than talking in phone. So that's why. Taeyang, so when we are going, Mr. Yun? Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. is flight. Taeyang, okay. Next day, after reaching Seoul, Mr. Yun, driver has come of Mr. Park to receive us. We should go now. Taeyang, okay. Then they sat inside the car and left from there. At JP Industry, Mr. Park, Ryan, today Kim Industry owner is coming. Everything is ready? Ryan, yes sir. Taeyang entered the company. The manager showed him the way. Mr. Park, Ryan, today Kim Industry owner is coming. Everything is ready? Ryan, yes sir. Taeyang entered the company. The manager showed him the way. Mr. Park, welcome sir. It's our honor to collab with you. This is my secretary, Miss Min Ryan. As their eyes meet, they lost in each other. Mr. Park, Mr. Kim, what happened? He came to his senses after hearing him. Taeyang, no, nothing. Mr. Park, we should go now to discuss about the project. Taeyang, okay. Mr. Park, let's go, Ryan. They go to the meeting hall. Mr. Yun, please start the meeting. Mr. Park, yes, Ryan, show the presentation. Ryan, okay, sir. Ryan, start the presentation. Taeyang was saying her time to time. Ryan, this is our presentation. We will make a playground in front of our building so that kids can play and people can walk in the garden. As the building is away from the industry, the environment will be clean and the building is in front of a riverside, so it will give a great view to the people. Taeyang, the presentation was good. We will do this project with your company. Mr. Park, thank you and congratulations for the project. We will have a great time. Mr. Yun, of course, Mr. Park. Now we should go. Mr. Park, yes, Ryan, please drop Mr. Kim to his car. Ryan, okay, sir. Please come. Ryan, Taeyang, and others left. They come out from the company. Mr. Park, you wait here, sir. I am going to take out the car. Taeyang, Taeyang see her and decided to say something. Taeyang, how are you, Ryan? Fine, good. Taeyang, how your married life is going? I think you must have kids. Ryan, yes, I have a son. Taeyang was little sad that she is married now, but also happy that she is having a great married life. Ryan, how your life is going? Did you marry? Taeyang, life is going good, just nothing special, and I am not married yet. I didn't find any girl for me right now, but mom is finding. I think I will marry soon. Ryan, Just then, car come and he say goodbye to her and left from there. Ryan, time flies really fast. At Ryan house, Ryan mother, how was your day, Ryan? Ryan, good mom, everything just normal. Ryan, and what did you do whole day, Jihu? Did you study? Did you complete your homework? Jihu, Mom, why are you asking so much question from me? I'm a child. How can I do this much work? How can I? Study. I was playing all time and I become tired. So sorry, I cannot do. Ryan, what? You were playing whole day and didn't complete your homework and you are saying also, shouting angrily. Jihu, hee hee. Sorry mom, I will complete it after dinner. Innocent smile. Ryan, mother. Yes, my grandson will do. You don't shout at him. Ryan, Mom, I think because of you, he becomes so naughty. Ryan, Mother, what I am saying is correct. He will not play in this age. Then when he will enjoy and he will study, I know my grandson is good in study. So why I will force him to do every time study? Jihu, yes, my granny, it's so cool. I love your granny. Proudly, Ryan sighed. Her mother scolded her, but not her grandson. How can she? Jihu is the reminder of her son and daughter-in-law. She loves him more than anything. They all ate dinner, talking and enjoying. On the other hand, Taeyang was sitting quietly and thinking about Ryan. He did not forget the day when he was going to propose her.